For years, I worked inside one of the largest advertising networks on earth, Dentsu, 66,000 people. And here is what it actually was from the inside. A few dozen startups wearing a shared logo. Every unit had its own clients, its own tools, its own definition of winning. Everyone was busy. The whole was invisible. We paid for it daily. A complexity tax on every single handoff. Companies like that always have a vision statement, framed, laminated, inspirational, and completely incapable of the one thing a vision is actually for, saying no. The data says this is the norm, not the exception. In a Gartner survey of nearly 200 senior executives, only 27% had a comprehensive AI strategy, and this May, Gartner warned that companies without a people-centric strategy will watch their best AI talent walk out by 2027. Here is the fix, and it fits in 2 sentences. Sentence 1, the one problem we solve. Sentence 2, the one thing we will not do. That second sentence is the whole machine. Anyone can write an ambition. The no is what makes it a vision. And there's a simple test for whether yours works. Hand it to a new junior on day 1. Can they use it to make a real decision without asking permission? Now hand it to an AI agent. Same test. The junior test is the agent test. At Dentsu scale, the metric that mattered was never billable hours. It was project velocity. How fast a client brief becomes live work in the world. Your North Star should measure motion, not effort. Because a vision is not a poster. It is a no machine. It exists to kill good ideas that belong to somebody else's company. On the stack, this is the bottom layer, the one everything else stands on. Weak vision doesn't fail loudly. It leaks. 40 projects, all approved, none compounding. And in 2026, you can make the layer mechanical. Vision as code. Every proposal gets scored by a model against your 2 sentences. Does this solve our one problem? Does it touch the thing we said no to? The machine never gets tired of saying no. Humans always do. One warning before you frame anything. If your bonus plan rewards what your vision forbids, the vision loses. When the poster and the money disagree, the money wins. Rewire the money. Zoom out 1 level. In an era when intelligence is cheap and infinite, ideas are no longer scarce. Focus is. The companies that win won't be the ones that can do anything. They'll be the ones that decided what they would never do. So write your 2 sentences this week, then point them at your project list, and let the no machine run.